This is definitely like vacation ready. Hey sis, what's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Hey, today I wanted to do something a little bit different, you know, not like my usual beauty, fashion, hair, makeup, whatever type of video. I want to do something like completely different. So today I wanted to do like a learn how to tie African print material, bring it back to the roots. So if you don't know, now you know. I'm Congolese. What we call our African prints, it's called liputa. So I've got this print here today. I'm gonna show you guys how I tie it up. I got this from my mother-in-law. Love you. I just want to show you guys like how the Congolese women tie up their liputa when they're going out, going to like a party, wedding, whatever it is. And then I'll show you like a more casual way to like tie it up for like a dance video, or like, you know, you just want to do like a cute little video shoot looking all African or whatever. And then I just have some African clothes that I had made. I just want to show that as well, just showing you guys like the different ways that you can wear African print clothes. So the first piece you have is pretty long. This is gonna be the bottom piece that ties around you. Okay, so you want to bring this around yourself, and you want to make one side shorter than the other, and bring it right up to where your hip is. You're gonna bring the short side in, and you can bring it very tight, you know, because you don't want this to fall off. So when you bring it in, there's gonna be this little flap right here. You see that? You're gonna do it like that. Then you're gonna take the rest and wrap it around. Okay. And now they're gonna meet right here. So what you do is you take your two pieces and you tie them like this. And you're not gonna tie a knot. What you're gonna do, so you tie it like this, so you're going to then hold down the sides and fold it over. And then you're gonna go around and fold it over all the way around. Okay, so then your final piece looks like this at the top. So you're gonna take this second piece, you're gonna fold it in half, okay? You're gonna fold it in half, and it does have some writing at the bottom of it. You want the writing to stay at the bottom. You're gonna take this, and I want my little bow thingy on the side. So wrap it around you, scrunch it up like this, and then other side, same thing. Grab from the bottom, scrunch it up, and then you just go and you tie them like you're gonna tie a shoe or something. Pull it tight, and then you flare it out to make it look cute. And that's it. This is like super easy, and you're party ready. This is definitely like vacation ready. I need to be on an island somewhere, like sipping on a fruity drink, soaking up the sun. So yeah, you can wear this to like a small little family function. It's very cute, covers up a lot, you know, there isn't much you can see, just like a little bit of skin right here, and obviously it's off the shoulders as well, but it's still like very family friendly. Like, what's good? Obviously this one, there's no tying of anything, it's already been tailored. They measure your body, you know, get your length everywhere, measure it up to your body. So this is when you get like African clothes made with your material, they make it specific to your bodies. The next style that I'm gonna have you guys show how to wrap is for, like, let's say you want to do like a dance, like an African style dance, or you're gonna be in some type of music video or something like that. So you don't want something that's gonna go all the way down to the floor. You do want like a little short half one. Grab the top corners, tie them like this, pull it all the way to the middle, and then tie a knot, and that's it. That's that one. Super simple. So then if I get close, there's this style. This one gives you a lot of freedom. Like, you can do a lot, like your legs, you could be moving them, you could be moving the waist. Like, it's definitely, you have a lot of freedom with this one. We're gonna wrap another piece around our head. So this is a much smaller piece than the rest of them. This is just a really tiny piece. You wanna fold it up a couple of times. So this one, let me show you guys how small it really is. This piece is super small. Go ahead and fold it in half this way. Fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. And then you fold it in half again. All right, so you've now got your piece folded in half. So now the next step you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and just throw it to the back of your head, and you make sure the sides are even. So you take it to the back of your head, and then you're gonna bring it up and around, up and around. So then it looks like this. And then from here, you're gonna do the knot, not really a knot, you're just gonna loop it over and tie it. Okay, and then after you tie it, you want to then flip them over each other like this. And this is the easy part. You just tuck it right on in. And then the other part, tuck it in. And that's your headpiece. Super simple, but really, really cute. Okay. And then let me show you the whole outfit. I absolutely love the headpiece. Like, I think that's my favorite. And yeah, like, you're dance ready, sis. Dance ready. Y'all, this dress right here, oh my gosh, this dress is just amazing. They said wedding, birthday party, like left, right, and center, I'm there. Like, do you guys see these sleeves? Like, this is so freaking cute. You could toss some heels on with it, like a whole fit. Thank you so much for watching, sis. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me which one was your favorite out of the 4. They were all very different and very unique in their own ways. So it just depends on where you're going, what kind of look you're trying to go for. So I gave you guys a little bit of something for each little occasion or each little event that you have to go to. And you want to come out rocking some African clothes, some African fabric, whatever it is. I got y'all. Pick any single one and you will be out there repping hard for the homeland. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, or just let me know what other types of videos that I can bring to you all. Leave in the comments down below. And once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Until next time, love ya.